Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to play music through your microphone. So let's get started. First, open a web browser like Google Chrome and search for VoiceMod. Visit voicemod.net and download the free version. Once the download is complete, run the setup file and finish the installation. Next, launch VoiceMod and log in using your email or another supported platform. After logging in, the app will open. Select your correct microphone and speaker, then press Continue. From the home screen, go to the Sound section on the top menu. Select the Music tab. Choose any song you want to use and it will be added to your soundboard. Tap on it to start playing. Now, open the app you want to use, such as Discord. In Settings, change the input device to VoiceMod Virtual Audio Device. Disable input sensitivity, echo cancellation, and set noise suppression to none. This ensures your music plays without issues. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.